Replacing your cabinet hardware doesn't have to be a chore. All it takes are a few easy steps. First, remove the old hardware. Then, measure the distance between the center of the existing holes. In fact, measure twice, just to be sure. Once you've picked out new hardware that fits your cabinets and your style, install it using the provided fasteners. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. If you don't have existing holes, making them is easy. All you need are a few simple tools. If you're installing a pool, first you'll want to measure between the center of the holes on the back of the pool to determine correct spacing. Then, carefully measure and mark each hole location on the drawer or cabinet door. You can also use the Align Right installation template to ensure accurate placement with ease. Then, carefully drill through the drawer or door fronts. Be sure to go slow and use minimal pressure to avoid splintering the surface. All that's left is to install your new hardware just as before. If you're installing knobs, the process is the same, but even easier as there's only one hole to make. And just like that, you're done. Well, almost.